In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Slides into Google Docs. This simple process allows you to integrate dynamic content from your presentations directly into your documents, enhancing your report or project with interactive visual aids. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Once you're there, type Google Slides into the search bar. This will direct you to the Google Slides homepage, which is a helpful tool for creating and managing your presentations, all stored conveniently in the cloud as part of your Google account. Next, you'll need to open the link to Google Slides. If you aren't already signed in, the website might prompt you to log in to your Google account. Simply enter your credentials if needed. Logging in ensures you have access to all your saved presentations and the necessary permissions to edit and share them as you please. Now, with Google Slides open, choose the presentation that includes the slide you want to embed into your Google Doc. Click on that presentation and select the particular slide you'd like to embed. This is an important step because it enables you to present the exact information you want within your Google Doc. Once selected, navigate to the Edit menu at the top of the screen and click Copy. Alternatively, you can accomplish the same task by right-clicking on the slide and selecting Copy from the drop-down menu. This action copies your selected slide to your clipboard, ready for embedding. The next step is to head over to Google Docs. Open the document where you want this slide to appear. Click into the document at the spot where you'd like to insert the slide. Again, you have a couple of options. You can either click on the Edit menu and select Paste, or right-click at the cursor's location and choose Paste from the menu. This will initiate the embedding process. At this point, a pop-up will appear on your screen with options for embedding. Make sure you select Link to Presentation rather than Paste Unlinked. Choosing the Link to Presentation option is crucial because it creates a live embed. This means any updates you make to the original slide will automatically reflect in your Google Doc. Once you've clicked Paste, your slide is embedded into the document. Finally, if there are any subsequent changes made to the original slide in Google Slides, you'll notice an Update button appearing on the embedded slide within your Google Doc. Click this button to synchronize any edits or updates, ensuring your document always displays the most current content. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Google slide into a Google Doc, allowing for seamless integration and real-time updates. This technique is perfect for producing dynamic and visually engaging documents. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding!